For foundation pours, slab pours, and driveway pours in Danbury, Connecticut, efficient concrete placement starts with the right equipment and the right crew. A concrete boom pump, line pump, or concrete pump truck can move ready mix delivery exactly where it needs to go for foundation concrete pumping, slab pouring services Danbury, Connecticut, driveway concrete boom pump Danbury, Connecticut, and pool deck concrete placement Danbury. Whether the project calls for residential concrete pumping or commercial concrete pumping Danbury, Connecticut, the goal is the same: smooth construction pumping, fast placement, and clean results on every pour. When job site concrete access is limited, hard-to-reach concrete delivery Danbury, Connecticut becomes easier with a long-reach boom pump and experienced boom pump operator. From narrow lots to elevated forms and obstructed backyards, boom truck concrete placement Danbury helps contractors handle concrete placement without delays. For concrete contractor support on residential boom pump Danbury jobs or boom pump for commercial sites in Danbury, Connecticut, the right pump truck service improves efficiency, reduces labor, and supports precise concrete pumping Danbury, Connecticut on time and on spec. Boom Pump Danbury, Connecticut is a smart solution for projects that need reach, speed, and dependable placement. Danbury, Connecticut boom pump rental services can support foundation pours, retaining wall pours, and sidewalk pours with same-day boom pump Danbury, Connecticut availability when schedules are tight. For contractors searching boom pump rental near Danbury or boom pump service in Danbury, Connecticut, choosing a local provider means better response times, stronger job site coordination, and more efficient concrete placement for residential and commercial work across Western Connecticut. Residential concrete pumping in Danbury is ideal for pool deck concrete, driveway pours, patios, additions, and basement slabs where manual labor would slow the job. A boom pump service designed for residential boom pump Danbury applications can reach over houses, fences, landscaping, and tight access points. From concrete boom pump Danbury setups to line pump support, homeowners and builders benefit from cleaner pours, less mess, and reliable concrete placement services Fairfield County CT for projects of every size. Commercial concrete boom pump Danbury, Connecticut demands speed, power, and consistency for large-scale work such as high-rise concrete placement, commercial slabs, and structural foundation pours. A boom pump contractor Danbury, Connecticut can provide boom pump service, concrete pumping near Danbury, Connecticut, and construction pumping for warehouses, multifamily developments, retail builds, and institutional sites. With boom pump services Western Connecticut and job site concrete pump Danbury support, crews can keep forms filled, schedules moving, and concrete contractor support aligned with demanding commercial timelines. Retaining wall pours and pool deck concrete placement Danbury often require careful control, accurate boom positioning, and the ability to move concrete into exact locations without spillage. A concrete boom pump Danbury setup handles tight forms, stepped elevations, and irregular layouts with ease. For retaining wall concrete pumping Danbury, pool deck concrete placement Danbury, and hard-to-access concrete delivery Danbury, Connecticut, a professional boom pump operator helps maintain quality, reduce waste, and improve the finished surface and structural integrity. Same-day boom pump Danbury, Connecticut services can make the difference between a delayed pour and a completed project. When weather shifts, crews fall behind, or a ready mix delivery arrives ahead of schedule, a boom pump service in Danbury, Connecticut helps keep the job moving. Contractors needing boom pump for foundations in Danbury, boom pump for commercial sites in Danbury, Connecticut, or concrete pump truck Danbury support benefit from responsive scheduling, efficient concrete placement, and dependable pump truck service across Danbury, Connecticut, and surrounding Fairfield County communities. For sidewalk pours, driveway pours, and slab pours, a line pump or concrete boom pump can dramatically improve job site concrete access and reduce manual handling. Concrete placement becomes faster and more controlled with a boom truck concrete placement Danbury system that reaches over obstacles and delivers directly to the form. Whether the work involves driveway concrete pumping Danbury, Connecticut, slab pouring services Danbury, Connecticut, or foundation concrete pumping Danbury, the result is better productivity and less downtime for concrete contractor support teams. Local builders searching for boom pump service. Danbury, Connecticut. Boom pump rental near Danbury, or concrete pumping. Danbury, Connecticut need a dependable partner for residential and commercial projects. From Danbury, Connecticut construction concrete pumping to boom pump service in Danbury, Connecticut, the combination of a skilled boom pump operator, modern equipment, and local experience delivers strong performance on every pour. For concrete placement services, Fairfield County CT, hard to reach concrete delivery. Danbury, Connecticut, and efficient concrete placement on demanding jobs. Danbury, Connecticut contractors can count on reliable boom pump rental and concrete pumping support.